Hello everyone. So in the previous class we have discussed about basics of trigonometry and the relation between the angles and the sides of trigonometry. So before going further in the topic, I would like to revise what we have studied in the previous class. Okay. So let's make a triangle now. Suppose here. Okay. This is right angle. This is suppose A, B, and C. ABC is a right angle triangle. And if we consider this angle as theta, this angle as theta, then we have six trigonometrical ratios. That is, first one is sine of angle theta is equal to, for this angle it is perpendicular and it is hypotenuse, and that is, so for sine theta it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now second one, cos theta, that was base upon hypotenuse. Third one, tan theta, that is perpendicular upon base. Similarly, inverse of tan, that is fourth one ratio, that is cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Now inverse of cos theta, that is fifth ratio, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. And the last one, that is cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So in the last class we have studied about these six ratios, and there was a trick to remember these six ratios, that was Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. That is, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and if I mark it, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. That is, Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. Okay, so these are the six trigonometrical ratios we have studied in the yesterday class. Okay, now moving forward, you can write these six ratios and you can also remember the trick. Okay, and if you want to find the formula of cosec theta, so you can simply reverse the formula of sin theta, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, now we will do questions related to trigonometry. Okay, let me lock this. we can simply ignore. Okay, now if we solve the NCERT questions, now let me set it here. Okay, okay. So if you see question number 1, that is in triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay, so let me make a triangle. So this is right angle triangle at B. So this point is B. In B we have right angle triangle. Okay, so this point is A and this is C. Now if you see the question, AB is equal to 24 centimeter. That is AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Huh? And BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find sine A, sine of angle A. Next one is cos of angle A, cos of angle A. Third one is sine of angle C, sine angle C. And the fourth one is cos of angle C. Okay, so how to find this? As we all know, sine, what sine theta is? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, ठीक. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now here angle is A. Here angle is A. So for angle A, for angle A, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is this. Okay, and base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now for finding sine of angle A, we first need to find AC. Okay, so how can we find AC? We can find AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if now here I do solution in triangle A B C by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? That is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now here we need to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC square is equal to perpendicular, that is BC square plus AB square. Now AC square is equal to, what is BC? Value of BC, that is 7 square plus AB, that is 24 square. Okay, let me rub this. Now AC square is equal to 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. Okay, if we add these two terms, then 5 2 and 6, that is AC square is equal to 625 and AC is equal to under root 625, that is AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, now we have all three sides of the triangle, that is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Okay, now you can write down that part. Okay, now if we now what we need to find, we need to find sine of angle A. Sine of angle, sine of angle A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse for A. For that angle perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, what is the value of BC? BC is 7 and AC is 25. Okay, second one, that was cos of A. Cos of angle for A, again perpendicular is BC. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is again base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now value of AB is 24 and value of AC is 25. Okay. Third one, sine C. Sine C. Now for this angle, for this angle, base will be BC and AB will be perpendicular. Okay, so sine again perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular for this? For this perpendicular is AB and what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse again AC. Now AB is equal to 24 and AC is equal to 20. Fourth part, that is cos of angle C. Now cos of angle C is equal to again cos base upon hypotenuse. What is base? For C, base is BC and hypotenuse is again AC. Value of BC is 7 and value of AC is 20. Okay, so now we have solved question number 1 of exercise 8.1. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, now if you see question number 2, if you see question number 2, in question number 2, PQR, Q, R and P. PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle at Q, right angle at Q. PQ is equal to 12. PQ is equal to 12 and this is 13. Okay, in that question we need to find tan P minus cot R. So first we need to find tan P. Okay, now we know that tan of angle theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. For P, this is base and this is perpendicular. So first we need to find this side. First we need to find this side. Okay, so again we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now again in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, PR is 13 square is equal to PQ. What is the value of PQ? 12 square plus QR square. Okay, so now QR square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. Here QR square is equal to 13 square 169 minus 12 square 144. QR square is equal to 169 minus 144 525 and QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. So now we have find QR that is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, let's move forward. Now 10 P. 10 P is equal to again perpendicular upon base. For P, perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. What is the value of QR? 5. And what is the value of PQ? That is 12. Now 10 R. Again 10 perpendicular upon base. For angle R, perpendicular is PQ and base is QR. Now it is 12 upon 5. So therefore 10P minus 10R is equal to 5 upon 12 minus 12 upon 5. 10P, no, it is cot R. Let me correct, it is cot R. It is cot R. Now cot R. Cot R is base upon perpendicular. For this, base is QR and perpendicular is PQ. Again it is 5 upon 12. Now 10P minus cot R is equal to 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12, that is equal to 0. So we have solved question number 2 also. Okay. धीरे धीरे से तेरा ही. Now move to question number 3. Okay, so this will be last question for today, and we will see that in the next class. Okay, so in question number 3 we have sine A is equal to 3 upon 4, and we have to find cos A tan A. Okay, as we know, sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so if we consider this triangle, nothing is mentioned here. If we consider this as an angle A, this as B, and this as C, so it is A. Okay, for that angle A, perpendicular is BC, and hypotenuse is again AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so now BC is equal to 3, and AC is equal to 4. So what will be the value of this side? Now we will apply in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, what is the value of AC? 4 square is equal to AB. AB, we have to find AB. AB square plus BC. BC is 3 square. Now, AB square equal to, what is AB square equal to? 4 square minus 3 square. That is AB square equal to 16 minus 9. AB is equal to 9 minus 16. Sorry, 16 minus 9. 7. It is root 7. AB is equal to root 7. Now cos A. Cos A. Cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? A for A, base AB, hypotenuse AC. Value of AB root 7, and value of AC 4. Now 10A, that is perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? BC. And what is base? The value of base AB. Now BC is equal to 3, and AB is equal to again root 7. So in the today lecture we have completed 3 questions. Okay, so we will see, we will solve further questions in the upcoming classes. Thank you so much, and stay with us. Thank you.